Hi there! Friends, there's an old saying that goes, absence makes the heart grow fonder. We get to miss friends whom we no longer see as often as before. We get to know the importance of people in our lives when they are no longer around us. In our gospel today, Jesus, after a busy day of curing and caring for the sick, disappears no one knew where to apparently pray. And the disciples were looking for him. It's quite interesting for us to know Jesus' response to the apostles telling him, Jesus, everyone has been searching for you. We have been looking for you. Where have you been? As if undisturbed by the concern of the apostles, Jesus tells them, okay, it's time to move on to the next neighboring towns, and off they went. Friends, absence makes the heart grow fonder. And as much as we wish to spend the best of our times with family and friends, life asks us often to move on and explore further beyond our small, comfortable circles. Being away from those we love hopefully gets us to acknowledge how people are important to us, enough for us to long for and anticipate being reunited with them again, somehow, sometime in the future. In a similar way, let us pray for the grace to miss Jesus in our lives today. Let our hearts grow fonder for Him, especially at times when He is seemingly not around. To miss and long for Jesus, especially in our prayers, hopefully, helps us in recognizing that He has not left us in the first place. Let our hearts grow fonder for Jesus, and that's one bite.